Hello, good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know we went through periods of frustration, and it was lessons that we needed to learn. And Archangel Michael wants us to know that it's time now to release the past, and you will grow from this situation. Time heals all wounds. You must connect to the stars, to your dreams, to brighter, beautiful things that you want for yourself. There is hope, and you must trust the unexpected things that are coming your way. You have been dealing with an arrogant, boastful person that you should not cross. But you finally have said enough is enough, and you're putting all the doubt and fear and negative energy that he tried to put upon you. You've said enough is enough. His things are not going to be successful. You are dealing with an older man. There's a lot of heartache in this area, but there's also a lot of love, and there's good things coming of this relationship. They say that a forgotten promise will be fulfilled, so you must be patient and take time out and be careful of your words. Forgive yourself. Sometimes we do say things wrong. Forgive yourself and hand the problem over to the angels. There has been money restrictions, and we've been very patient in that area. But Spirit wants us to keep the balance. There is great happiness coming. And Archangel Gabriel says you are confident, enthusiastic, and courageous. And when the time comes, you will know exactly what to do. There is balance coming back into your life. So stand up for what you believe in. Have confidence and claim your personal power. You can see clearly now. There's abundance coming your way with love from the universe, and doors are opening up for you. Stay positive. Just be careful of great pride. That is when you shining your beauty and love into the world. Have a lovely day, everybody.